Okay, on the 2007 Sea Ray 310 Sundancer, I'm raising the hydraulic engine hatch. We'll take a look at the engine compartment. This boat does have the twin 350 mag MPI multi-port injected engines. It's got a Kohler generator with 232 hours on it. It's got the 4 batteries, smart battery charger, and all. So it's a nice clean engine compartment. The oil has been changed annually. The bottom job was done in April of 2016, so the bottom paint's only 2 years old. So that's the engine compartment of this 2007 Sea Ray 310 Sundancer. That's all.